Okay, so I'm going to give you a tour of what is in the weekly update. And then I also am going to make a video for how to find lessons. So this is the weekly update. When you open your course up and you click on your Spanish 2 class, this is what the first thing you'll see. This is labeled an announcement, but this is the weekly update that I post every Saturday. And so this has a lot of information in it for the week. If you want to see the updates, specifically just the updates, you click updates. And this is where you need to go to get all the resources that I post. So the first thing that will pop up that you'll see always posted in your course is the weekly announcement. But to find the resources I'm giving you each week, you need to click updates so you can get access to those files that I share. Sorry if you can hear my kids, they're playing a game in the room. So sorry if you can hear that. So this is the weekly update. I give a little bit of information about what's going on in the week. I give you some helpful tips, like this is steps to complete each assignment. And this is laying out your weekly assignments. And here I have helpful resources. So this is all the resources that I'm either going to tell you about in this update or I'm going to attach it to this update so you have them. So for example, for 01.07, your evaluación escrita, I have attached a note guide as well as a student sample. So the student sample is going to give you an exact example of a very, very good example of what your product is going to look like for this assignment, like what you're actually turning in for 01.07. So down here below, I also have student samples. I've also posted the student samples so that you see what this looks like. So if you look at the student sample for 01.08, Evaluación Escrita, you're going to see that this is an example of a perfect sample, perfect product is what I'm trying to say. So she says, "Hola, me llamo Kayla y soy agradable. Tengo 15 años y vivo en Florida. Me despierto a las 7 de la mañana, pero mi amiga Luciana se despierta a las 7. Primero, me cepillo los dientes con la pasta de dientes. Segundo, me lavo la cara rápidamente con jabón." So you've got a great example there. Same thing here. You've got this evaluación oral, that's 01.09. Okay, so this is another thing for you to look at and see how your product should at least look like somewhat when you're done. Always at the end of the updates, you have my contact info, my email, my cell phone, my office hours, and these are little reminders, which some of these are outdated. And then at the bottom here, so it's like slightly separated with this big box here, okay? But below that, you see it's a smaller, like shorter version of my update, but this is where all these resources are that I've posted here. Now, these are all in your lessons as well, and I'm going to make another video for like lessons to help you guide you through the lessons. If you need help with that, trying to figure out the lessons and figure out all the resources in there. But I also post them in here. So at least all the ones that I think are the most important are also in the update. So that is just a little tour of the weekly update. And just so you know, there's lots of resources. This also has all the updates from the whole semester. So this is week 2 and this is week 1. So there's lots and lots more resources posted in the update section. So to find the update section, remember, now my screen's frozen. Okay. To find the update section, you just go up here and click updates right here. And that's where all those resources are and the weekly update and everything. So if you have any other questions, just let me know. I'm here to help.